Welcome back to Davi Dan HD. Alright, people, the new movie name, Love and SideMan. So here I go on, just like, subscribe and do what you must, don't do what you shouldn't do. Alright, people, on the TV, them, especially I watch on the TV. I know say it's harder to find the subscribe because you know just the right your fingertips. So. But please do subscribe, it does help the channel quite a bit. But just a quick update. So it is currently 3 a.m. in the morning. Just I record the intro and outro. If you just upload the movie so you can just finish edit the movie, just press the process button so we can upload the movie so you can watch it tomorrow or today at 12 o'clock gone. Yeah, actress and actors needed, just contact the number right here so if you're interested we can talk about it. Also if you feel like donate or just feel generous, all of the contact information will be in the description. Also I said number 2, but just enjoy the movie. Alright.
Gonna like me, Juka.
Oh, your business about that?
Yeah, but after business, I love your youth.
Me love you. I know say me love you. She will like you, man. Just come on, man.
Juta, I'm nervous. I don't want to introduce me to your daughter. She don't like me.
One nice girl, man. Just be low and chill out now. No, you could still go on now.
Yeah.
Kayla!
Oh, Daddy!
Come here, look at them. I have something to tell them.
Yeah.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
I know it's a long time in the house and your mother kind of drop out and go and left still. See?
Yeah.
Me have she, and a good one now me have she, so more you meet her, this nobody feels that she go replace your mother, nah, nothing like that.
Yeah.
Just a show you say, me and she are roll now, and it will look good for you. Me make you meet her, so. Kayla, this is Chelsea. My daughter, this is Kayla, you see me?
Hi, Chelsea.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So like, when you mean say you're not like you turn off, they in a relationship and all, turn off past.
Yes.
You know, so she go pass by more time and everything there, you see me?
So I want to start talk.
Good while now, man, but we feel that time now, we can introduce you to her, you see me? Feel like I best time now, so.
So you love my father?
I'm gonna like
Yes.
Yeah? Give me a minute.
We're there for a while, but I was telling me, say you have one big daughter, and well, you have one little daughter, but you get big now.
Yeah.
And you want me to meet you, so I tell him, so I think of time, because we know our relationship for over a period of time now, so I only fear for me knowing you.
See, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
I like how you here too. You look nice.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I mean, I worry, so you're not gonna like me, you know?
Oh man, I like you. You look very wonderful.
Alright, well, we do a little catching up, right?
Alright.
So when I come back over here, may I can sit down and talk, right?
Yeah, we can
Alright.
stand and talk. Alright.
Right.
Yeah, they're up on the front, yeah?
Yeah.
Jota, she nice, you know? She
Not
nice.
hard like that, and she want nice.
And she a big girl.
So, you see, from time now, for you just pack up a little things and I'm moving and come stay with me, man.
Yeah.
Is me?
Me get to know more about her.
So, not talk about?
Yeah, me and her can sit down and talk. Cause she big and she understand things.
Come in, want ice cream?
Yeah. Me I eat something, yeah.
Yeah, bro, me I tell you say me love you, bro, and I just because I live with your Clarendon, me can't forward up this, bro. You know more. Wait, give me a second there. Yo, Jota, how do you with it, bro?
Go on.
Give me a minute, you know. Bro, me soon call you back. And you live too far, right? Me not come look for you already. And you know me love you. If I need... What? Alright, give me a minute. Me soon call you back.
Yeah, go on with it.
So, me there, you know. Where are you? You good?
Yeah, man, good, man.
So, for your mom's that.
You want to my baby this man. You know, I let her have foot on the front there. You see, where are you?
Them there chat to her one day, you know, but she live too far. We are Clarendon, bro, me there we are Westmoreland. Me can't go so far.
That will stop me for you.
So me can't yell up on a neighbor.
I'm looking nearby, my virgin to stay.
Neighbor, you move like say we are like a far we are come from, you know, they even say far enough, far enough.
No, I'm going to let her move out of bamboo tree out of bike come pick her up. come back. Mama, look how you get some ice cream. See?
Yeah.
Don't
I'm not afraid that.
we link up, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
me there, man.
yeah, I'm bitching, no, man.
I don't know him like that.
I'm a J, man. Just a rope.
We are friends, man.
I
We
know
are fair going for 3 months.
I don't know him.
We link, yeah, I'm a J.
We link, man. So, what we will link?
Chuka, your friend creeping, you know? Him act weird.
Same one. A good you, man.
A good youth.
I follow up that.
How about him good? He look like him full of work.
Alright, one go deal with that time. See? Right
Yeah.
aside the destination. So look how I want to see again. Yeah, babe?
Yeah, no matter no one.
Alright, so.
Yeah.
By the coming time, you call me, yeah?
Yeah.
Oi, just stop it. Nobody go look at taxi.
What did that crosses you do? Why you run me down for you stop me? Yawa.
Chelsea, imagine to God, say, all these years, me I look you. And that the dirty rasta man there, what take up?
TV, you stalker. Yawa, you rasta?
No, me a flat up.
You plot up, okay. I rasta man, the like. And that's why I'm there with him.
So we are do try to tell you to go lock me here.
I'm not telling you to lock no your TV. Why you leave me alone because I don't want you.
Take time talk, Chelsea, you don't know if a man gone or if he there. Watch you.
So where you walk past, come out here, so cause we never see you when time we come out there behind us. So where you hide? Cause him just gone back over, so you hide.
Chelsea, look how long me I look you. More want your girl.
Me don't want nothing with you, you're full of worm.
You know, if you are there with them, the rasta man, the rasta man, they can't do nothing for you.
Yeah, he might take care of me, unlike you. We love labor for people and love sweets and likes. Me don't want you.
I better say me have to get you.
You never live long enough to see me and you're there. You don't never see the light
Me
of my
have to get you, know. If me no get you by force, me have to science you. Me have to get. Alright, watch.
Because science your big foot there. Me say you told them long. You make a science to fresh foot on the bone them what you have. Tibi, go on and leave me alone. My taxi come. I have no time for you. You waste my time.
You go on. Must get you, know. See if you have macaroni and cheese.
General Father God. You get one nice girl, you know, man. Thank you, Jah. You know where you're there. Show me that card deal with that now.
Daddy. Daddy. Oh God, man, Daddy, you have to fix it door, you know, because while I take long for pull, man. You want to see me as struggle?
Yeah, alright, bro.
Yeah, me alright.
So, I'll tell you something. How you like the girl?
She alright, you know, Daddy.
Okay.
She alright. Sit down, Daddy.
I mean, how you like her, if you like her for being in her presence, that's what I mean.
Alright, Daddy, me tell you the truth. But the thing, I like her now, but not as much because she know she and her mommy. They know I love my mother. I don't mother God
Kara,
I love
look at me. I'm not try to replace some mother. I tell you honest the truth, because the love of my mother, I don't think I can find that nowhere in the world. But I know say mother gone already and true, sometimes I know some boring and thing. I'm like she, not tell her the truth, I love her because she made me happy, you see me? So I say, just give her a chance, man, because a good girl still, you know? You want a nice girl, man.
Well, Daddy, you say if she make you happy, maybe give her a chance because I love you because you're my father. And I will do anything for you. So you see, if she make you happy, maybe give her a chance.
I'm not going to try to replace your mother, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not try to replace you. Because I'm tell you the truth, you're the first, you know. So if you know like her, for truth, or you know, want to see her in her present, just tell me the truth. Because as when I tell you, say, me love her. You see me, so give me a real explanation now.
Okay. Daddy, nothing do wrong with her. She okay, she alright, but it's just that me can't go accept her as my mother. Because she's not my mother.
No. I'm not try to make she be your mother. I just want to accept her as your daddy girlfriend and you say, I just hate that when she pass by, I just give her a look of respect and I hate that.
Well, if she make you happy,
Yeah.
You feel happy?
Yeah.
As long as she make you feel happy, we accept her as your girlfriend.
Alright, thanks.
Yes. Come
So,
on.
yeah, so you don't want to go. Alright, you know.
Yeah, me alright. Me just did the work. Sometimes I pull. It take a very long time to pull.
You go fix
So,
it.
me don't know.
You want to go somewhere. So when you go somewhere, you see it? You see it?
Yeah.
So you're doing on this, so you want to go, like, never start it out, man. Probably at the end, she want the key or something. Come on, yeah?
Yeah.
You're there outside.
Mm-hmm. Let us see, make my father happy. Yeah. Yeah.
Baby, what happened?
Hey,
What going?
oh, come talk to you about something.
That's how I know. You win $1 million? Sit down, man.
You love money too much, David.
I love you too much.
You about sit now, but you can't get upset, you know. You have to promise you now will get mad at me tell you.
Wow.
You not at me yet, you don't promise me yet.
Talk, man, talk.
So promise me not gonna get mad.
I promise I'm not gonna get.
Alright. So, I know say, me I do the things them, and you know say, me a rasta thing them on a level. And him ask to move in with him.
So what you say?
I tell him say yes. Me I go move in with him, I go meet him daughter and they are moving with him.
So you and him get serious now then?
Yeah.
So Chelsea, so what that means? So that means you come for to break up with me?
Me nah go left you, Davi. Me can't left you, me nah left you. Just that me a rasta thing get serious on a level and him ask to move in and me I think about it from when I say me I go just do it.
Chelsea, you have to go in and go live with him.
Me I go move in with
Oh,
him.
you didn't even know Rasta 2, 3. A long time, I know him still.
What you saying?
You rate him?
Me rate him, yeah. Him take care of me.
So Chelsea, I know, so I just sleep on his side, you know, because from a meet you and him, but God no man, and they cut me. I go live with this.
Sure.
I know my role, so I not go to overstep my boundaries and something, but God knows, so in treat are good. I sure say no other girl, because man are wicked enough. Man have 10 girl and pretend like I want to have, look for me. That's perfect example. Although me not have none, so that's you.
What kind of perfect example? Something you say I try to tell me, but me understand the drift.
I understand still, so.
You don't put egg in a one basket, me know.
So you say you really believe in him, you feel say the best choice is moving with him.
Well, nothing try, nothing done.
So in daughter stay, in daughter accept
Daughter
him.
nice, a big girl.
12.
And she, no, 12. She more than 12-year-old, but a big grown-up girl. She know right from wrong and she can make decision of her own.
Well, alright then. So what happen for soon?
I think by now and next couple of days,
Alright.
I get myself mentally and physically prepared.
Alright, do what you have to do then, me soon forward in. I go and think about it.
Yeah, go and think about it. What is there to think about?
No man, me have only...
I'm not afraid me I go left here, you know, David.
No man, I know, but you know, it's just a little shock to me. Man, no beg or nothing, you know, but just go in, man. Me go and think about it. Me soon forward there. Alright. Well, as long as she happy.
Like your big, so I don't know what to you.
Vex man, but you just can't believe say there really, but so you have to go for sure.
Maybe you have to come one day, David, and let me live at your yard. You only over here spend some time with you.
Yeah, but the last couple of days, I'm sure say I live up on the thing.
But tell us I'm moving the dress. I'm serious, we talk about this already.
No man, but
You never ready for me left yet?
no, sir.
Hold yourself, man.
You better make drop off my bike, because even them the time when I chip up, I don't feel the entire fucking.
What mean just pop a bike? You can't wait that for yourself. That doesn't sound good.
And I wish, but me I show you say if me disinfect between that and this mother tool, that 10,000 times.
Have you have some type of style.
Ah, you're terrible man, I don't like it.
You don't break your heart, I don't like the hair left. Because I tell you, say, me I go do that and me talk about it already and I tell you something serious about it. They know it will go already.
Understand, but my God. So,
Come never see you now, sir. I can't come over here.
May I text you?
Come out.
That be enough foreign me I go and run me a run away.
Alright.
So, top out yourself and go on. Some type of style you have go.
Alright.
Later.
Bye-bye.
Chelsea, look at it, bigger 1 minute there. Chelsea, I look me, I look in and something I ask you. Want to tell us something? Come
You
here.
know what do you saw?
Relax,
You stop
Chelsea.
me, I want
Me top stalk you, man. Them days, me done with them days.
Want me now to be?
Come
You
here,
can't
come
see
out
me go
and-
mum you call me, you can't come to me.
So come out and so, I'm come to you.
What you say?
Chelsea, when a big man meds Chelsea. Like how we dey close by, you can we link up more often and you me there so turn up away pan you know, to show you how me insecure, how me love you, bro. You me turn up.
Tibi, me and I no business. And you see me go my business every time you stop me. If I not run you run me down, you see me go you stop me.
Chelsea,
When mean you sit down over here so wait to see me pass Tibi? Then suppose me never pass.
would I feel away?
So how much day you sit down over here so wait for me to pass Tibi?
Chelsea, me know you did a go pass. Remember say I'm nearby now. Look how close we live. You suppose if you can take one fence and reach over me yard more while.
Which fence? Me now walk over no fence.
Use the gate them. The gate available.
For what? You know where to Tibi? Me tell you something I don't want you. We you top stalk me.
Chelsea, you're not fair deal with me, so. Chelsea, you're not happy deal with me, so. Me there so turn up on me here, Rasta man I talk about 2 days a day, 2 days a day. Me know today on a Friday, today on a pay day. Either you're there forward or when you're forward, he might go put you out. Chelsea, you don't know that the man there for more than 2 weeks. And you know me for over
Why?
5 years now, me I look you.
How what is do God Tibi?
And why me can't get you? A money I want. If a
Tibi.
money I want, me can dash that for you.
Me don't want no money from you. Cause me not take your things cause me don't want you. So me don't want you to talk about no money cause me never ask you for nothing. What again? You say you stop me to tell me something.
Better say one day you're going to regret it.
What me I gonna regret Tibi?
I better say Rasta
People
go do
fall
you
in and out of relationship and fall in and out of love. A
Ras-
daily something that a regular day.
Rasta no good boy, no.
You know that, me don't know that.
Remember say you just move come here, you know.
Oh, you know
You
that.
live here how much years and Rasta live over there, so you
Yeah,
know.
oh, you know say no good somebody. Yeah, woman.
Rasta is a whore. Every minute Rasta bringing something new. Rasta,
Then yeah, every minute you bring in something new that have done to do with me.
all when you gone, me sure no say never you in the pan phone with over there, you know. When you gone, me turn phone over here so I hear man talk about, baby, I love you and I miss you and blow a beer
You're not
kiss.
so close to sit down to your man fence, Tibi. You don't have nothing in your yard can do. You don't have nothing constructive to do. You can't sit down and listen to people's business and watch out people's life. You don't have no life for yourself.
Tell you already, I'm going to tell you again. I better say me must get you. I have
Tibi,
to
go
get
look
you.
alive. Leave me alone. Go and go look alive.
So
Roll
the
up your
life
stress.
me they look.
Roll
You
up
see
your
the life
stress,
me they
Tibi.
look.
Roll up your stress.
Ah, Jesus Christ, someone had to hold up my stress. Going to hold up my pants.
No. Data on my phone. No, I have no data on my phone.
Oh, you put on some.
Today at the day, you know.
What happened today?
The girl I come now. You know feel happy. You know feel happy for me.
You don't feel happy feel like today she a movie?
Yeah.
So sudden.
Yeah, I mean.
Like you don't think it's sudden saying a movie today? I yesterday we meet her.
I know yesterday that.
You feel like I yesterday to me. I tell you
No,
the truth.
listen, me make you meet her with the but a long time you never talk, you know. Yeah, man, a long time.
Well, as long as you're happy, me happy. So I tell you she a moving. Like spend the week or can you know moving as in.
I'm not in your room.
Yeah, I understand you're in my room, but it's like moving as in living.
Yeah, but
Or she a comfy.
No, she's come.
Oh, or she a comfy spend like on 2-3 days.
Hold on, give me a minute. 1 minute. Put it in our MP3, you know, and send it come give me like a song audio.
How that
I want you to me and him do music something on the internet.
I still feel nervous about this. I wonder if I want to go decision me and make door. Man, if you move in a man place still, you know. Woman have their own place, but if anything on me fall short, I can go on my yard stills. I'm not giving no certain for uncertain.
She that, you know? She that, you know? Oh,
Maybe you knock the door. What happened? How long you take me? Can I put on my bag?
Yeah, you can put in a bag. Yeah,
come to stay in
Hey.
here. So,
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. You alright?
Yeah, daddy sit down and take a chill pill.
Yeah, we're there, chill.
Okay. You alright though?
Yeah, you alright?
What you say I'm going with you now, B?
yeah, man. You this, isn't it?
Me gonna left it to make it to and catch up.
Oh, thanks,
Yeah,
Kayla.
I'm going to my room now.
Oh,
No,
alright,
you
thanks.
can't stay, man. You can't stay.
You want to
No,
stay?
man. No, me I give you some time to feel comfortable and be at home and give you all
Alright,
that some
girl.
alone time.
Alright, baby girl. Thanks.
Yes. Bye, daddy.
Right.
You soon call in no more, may you chit chat
Yeah.
little. Hey, B, she nice, you know?
Yes, it's all
She
right.
big and nice. But I think I feel her room this door, because I always come here, when I come here, come see her.
She love in my room, man.
Oh.
Come like she just remember me when she come in here. Just want to paint up, finish paint up and say, you see me I make her.
We do some work, man. Don't worry about it. I'm there for you.
Me to make some food, you know?
Yeah? Where you cook?
Boy, you want to come look?
Me I come look. You want me help you finish cook?
Juta!
Yo!
Yo, come here, come here, come here, come here, come out here, so. You are abandoned. Come out here, so.
Show us about
No, not this house, my house, brother. I want to show you something. Come on, no. House abandoned. You not come, you stay, you stay. No, you stay, you stay. Juta, come here, come here. No house not abandoned, bro. Something I want to show you.
I want to man.
Bro, relax, brother. We don't want a woman know what going on. That's a style me used to get you out of yard, bro. Your woman is a badass, bro.
So that I come out of me have to come tell me about my woman about that. So, want to hear a woman.
Bro, my woman good, bro. I rate you as a G, bro.
So how was you seeing woman movie, you know? I know see me I go live good life. Now you come tell me this. Where you tell me say? Like a bad mind or
How
something.
far you come from, you know, bro? Far you come from, bro. Me not tell you no lie, bad man. The woman there want badass, bro. Some things that...
Alright. Badass with what?
Bro, she have one bag of man on the road.
I not believe that. I not believe that you. Not my woman. Yes, I'm telling you how she stay. She love stay in. Right now, you see her outside in her yard and her house she the you.
That she a use.
Never go see that out of me, yeah, brother.
Bro, you not go see that. Your woman not go make you see that, bro. Somebody else have to see and come tell her, bro.
Alright. Why you tell me? Why? You have to tell me then.
Bro, me rate her. Me a part. Me no want no woman, no girl clown you, bro.
Yo, the girl now clown me. You.
In the clown, bro.
Right now, she in her room. I'm my daughter in her next room. Me yard happy now, no you. Some don't know where you come like. No, I don't understand. Yo, that me not believe. Yeah? I don't believe. Let me see for myself or something happen then.
Suppose me tell her say, when your woman a come over, not too long. Your woman tap and come over me yard, ready to fling some for me.
Well, I lie tell, because you take that. You think me I eat that? No man now refuse them something there. No come go around. But look come woman nice, brother. How you talk say? Look come woman look like ice cream.
Bro, I feel like me go there, so bro, when me and your friend, your man no park, come over here with one white bag.
No man now go so loyal to this. So. Look how girl shape out good and nice. You gonna tell me say you refuse that just to come tell me. And I like say me I pay you. Brother, look into yourself and look where you're saying, man.
Bro, I rate me run come call you, know, bro.
And I rate you make you have to go run back out of me yard.
So
take all this and slap in your face now.
So you move, so bro.
Make this be the last time you come to me yard, daddy. You hear me I tell you? Come out and place, man.
Everything good.
You come to man yard and come and decent moment like.
Everything good, bro.
No, everything not good. Go on about that. Go on. Just go on.
Thing good, Jota.
Thing no most good. Watch it, Chuck.
Oh, papi show a boy. You like a boy there, you know? You don't like a boy there. And he must start me now tell Jutta. See him come over here now and I come talk about yo. Me was a bund up and me know a lie him tell. Some little foolishness him want to chat. You know him, the boy that's
Lick, me sure lick him with the pipe, you know.
what do you have here? What am I here?
Yo, I should like I eat that boy. Everything good, man.
What am to you, Jutta? What him do? In same house a bund down, I better not no go so.
Yo, you see that boy there? Me don't want him back over me yard. You hear me tell her?
But
I enter you see him, just call me and tell me. Me don't want him back in my yard. There.
But me not, I know me have him over here. Me must have just come here, you know. I mean him run, come over here. Me pass him out the road and him a look talk with me. And me tell him to go on about his business. And I come over and me there. And now me him Friday him turn and run come over here. Come call about house a bun down. And me know nothing no go so. Cause every time him see me no tap in a talking with me, he must stalk me. Cause me say me a talk to you about it. Me just come and me not get the minute to tell you. So he must start me every time him see me, he have something to say to me.
You want to know where him just, yo.
Jutta, no, me no ramping, you know. Come, put on your phone and sit down. Come, talk to me. What him said to you?
Yo, me even want to tell you, you know.
Tell me what him said to you, upset you, son of Jutta. Tell me what him said.
I tell you, but I have to watch that girl, because she's a terrible girl. I can't have her over me, because a bad girl. I mean, so what kind of badness she do? I don't want to tell me. And then I talk about, before you come over here, you come over in my yard. And I give him peace of whatever.
So Jutta, him not have no sense.
Come and feel that attack and take me. Yo, me da gonna lick him with one pipe, you know, man. Come and make him know, say, yo, my woman, you know, see my woman stay in the house.
But what kind of style that him have up, though, Jutta?
You know him.
Man, I know him from nowhere. He always see me and talking with me and I tell him, say, I don't want him because me involved. And he might push himself and me have to just listen to me and come up here this
carefully. Come here, some look work, come here for finish now. Listen to me carefully. Me don't want him back in my yard.
But Jutta, me not have my wife. Me not live here.
No, me just make you know. So every time you see him, you make him go on.
He might go on all long now. Jutta, me tell you something wrong
just
with that boy.
Just listen to me, say, I don't want him over here. That's
here, yo. But me tell you, say him creepy, something wrong with him. That boy, the mother drop him on the head and not tell him father.
Finish the local work come here to do.
One time he drop him on the head and not tell the next one. Because I know something wrong with him. If I know him father drop him on the head and not tell him mother drop him on the head and not tell him father. That boy, there's something is wrong with him. Him fuse, blow or something, him chip. I don't know him get them the dirty style from. I don't like him like that. But tell you, I not even when you come tell me nothing about no man, tell you nothing like that. Because that boy, they come like him not have no style. Me see my brother and do him things, you know.
No, say me no for bother gone no work. Beat me for go beat that boy then I'm facing him. When I come in me a couple. Yeah. When I talk about woman, yo watch, yo.
I wonder where that you go. Who can go put this everyone in trouble, man? Go follow. I'm not so righteous.
Oh, the Rasta upon my youth. Rasta even know code youth. As a real dog, I go over Rasta yard and I show him free about him girl and I warn him about him girl. And the man go bad me up about yo, me for lift up front and yard and rear it. It must feel like I me hurt. But yo, I told me not stay like where some man them, you know, dog. Cause, you know, yo, me trim Rasta, you know. Me box up Rasta.
Whoa, we over here talking.
Yo, that girl I better come like that. Rasta.
No, come over my yard and come on like say you feel like you take bad man.
Rasta man, I'm too better with no bridging, bro.
I told bridging what? I told this me I give out here and I make you know say the next time you come, I flatter me here. You hear me tell you? No, me no want that.
Rasta, everything good, brother.
What happened, Daddy?
One me forgive more time and then you know what happened after.
Everything good, Rasta man.
Come on, Daddy, we do my yard.
Come from far and you violate me, I never violate you.
Next time, yeah, it's the next time. It's the next time.
Come on, man.
I know that. Your daughter shouldn't come hold you and come for you. Oh, you would have shown me the over here, no boy. If your daughter know me, your daughter see me, you know. Make you come for you, I would have trim you over here, boy. Come back over me here, you see. Better not come back over here.
Come, Daddy, come. Come, man, cause I can't believe there's something there. What you doing in this guy in my yard? Daddy, come here, so me talk to you. Because I don't want to hear this. Come on the side, yeah. Daddy, listen to me, I say. Why you can't over here gone with ply or whatever, something want me to lick him in his face. Why you do that?
You're not even asked if him deserve it now.
Daddy, whether he deserve it or not, you're not supposed to go in and go do that. Why do? Tell me why do.
You want to know him though?
Tell me why do, Daddy.
As him see a girl moving, he might come and talk about the girl come to give him something and she come and him refuse it. And oh, she hate that girl. I'm going to feel lower wrote and very. See, a bad mind, the boy, bad mind.
Daddy, if him bad man, Daddy, I don't know if it's true. I don't know if I like me. Now, why say right, you know, Daddy?
Yes,
but
you have a woman, you come tell me directly, say my woman, I eat that woman. If you get a lick in your face, man.
But you know, deserve no lick. You should just not pay no mind. Just run him out to your yard and go run to your woman. You're going to lick him and end up at prison, Daddy. Who go there for me?
Prison. All the man knows say me lick him.
Daddy,
Somebody can tell lie upon you.
Daddy, you're
right.
Lord, Daddy.
Suppose
that, look, Daddy, you have to understand, say, you alone me have, and me love you. Something going to happen to you, and me one day there, you know? Me one, I go there.
You want not there, no worry about that, man.
You cannot do anything, think about me before you do things.
I'm going to finish it right there, me have to do.
Me think if you're going to work today, not going to work today, just go around. Just go around. Nobody do not that going to work today. Because sometimes I don't understand.
Could dirty boy come piss off me in the morning and come just reach us some. Man, I can get sickly in it and come with little dirty crosses. So, boy, cranny. If I go for the rest of my clothes, them. I'm not really sure what amount of stuff I want to move in with so sudden, so quick. Nonsense. Can't bother. I better put on some clothes. Just don't tell me to put my things them. One day I can't use a dresser jar there without him permission though. Hello?
Go on.
Hey, Wambi.
Yeah, man, we can't get a call from you.
You know what, actually, I'm kind of busy doing me now until I know, like.
Busy at the work. I hope you're resting lockdown and nothing as a reach, you know.
Right now, I'm on lockdown. I just reach my yard and today the first day I move over here. I want to look at unscrupulous, mischievous boy from down the road so in my man yard. Call you out about him was a bun down and when me check a stop, nothing no go so. A problem the boy I try and make with me a rasta already.
What kind of problem that?
I don't know him, I look me, I don't want nothing with him so. I find some kind of ways to work out. I don't know what I do.
Yeah, right now you see the first day you go you get one body energy. Right now I sign that tell us come back, you know. I sign that tell us who knows I could be a rasta PM and say make mischief.
I don't know, I don't want to think that be. I don't think Rasta not do that.
You will do it.
At Rasta just left out of yard too, you know.
Yeah.
Just left out of yard.
You know, say girl are dingan.
Not do that, man.
Yeah,
Davi just go easy
I
now.
swear upon the boy where I make mischief life. Me see Rasta pass.
Davi,
You know,
go easy now, man. Look how me talk to you.
you're good.
Yeah, me alright.
You're sure you're good.
Sure, I mean, him up here. But I make him make him come back on my yard and say,
Alright.
yo, I am still.
Alright.
When my boy yard me I come from, you know.
Want my
See,
again
you
now.
know, yo, I couldn't let it go, you know. I couldn't hold it, man. I forgot just, I can't even know. I save him, you know. But next time I got them, man. Yeah.
I want
Chill
to him
even.
do. Why am I eat over
Yo,
yard?
give me something to drink, man. Come,
Come
yo,
like
me
him
not
a drink
even
some
feel hot, you
something
know.
and feel boots up or something wrong with him. I just reach aside him start. I would dance scrupulous maggot there.
Yo, just
Sure.
give me some water to drink or something.
You want one juice?
Yeah, man.
I'm going to the fridge. Want a natty for me front line.
No, but not here already. Much more not here, one for your friend.
When the rain and shine. There's a natty
You see
for
when
me
you want,
front
when you
line.
start drink. Anyway, I go up on the work, you know.
What do you mean when we start drink?
And the light switch, they want to fix, you know. I come like I break out the problem, you know. No worry yourself, I will get it done.
Me not worry myself I
But
about
never-
that talk too. You know say I know the breaker that the bulb? I just the bulb
No,
that you
but
suck
but
it.
the bulb make it, the breaker make your bulb now work good.
You think so?
Then go up on the road and fall, yeah?
Raise a natty for my front line.
No drink no more feed here, yeah?
You can't tell me that.
Don't drink any more
It's
feed
named
here.
Johnny with Walker. Go on, man. Take time walk fast, go on. Johnny Walker, me a drink, you know. You might tell him to take time walk fast, go on where him a go. Because I'm not even know what clock has stride.
See where you have?
I want to go on the road. I want to you now.
Somebody say me that contact you about something.
Oh, what is it?
My boyfriend left me.
And that make you sulky up. Yes, I'll do a your boyfriend still, but you're a queen, you know, look on you. The man get you, I'm supposed to grab and hold on pan yourself. And man, let you go. You know, worry at all about yourself. Cause queen sit on pan throne, so our next king will come. You hear father say? Matter of fact, go talk to she about it. She know more woman things more than me. I'm kind of late for go on the road.
Me and her no close like a that.
I know, but you still can share certain things and ask her some questions, woman to woman. I'm soon forward, yeah? Later.
Hello.
Hello.
What love?
I don't ask you.
Where me know that you want to ask
I
me?
treat you now, I hear your voice, Chelsea. I be a text. Hello, me soon link your name type of send that what may I have.
Me not have nothing. We just have a natty on the front line and go on with himself. And you know what? From when they vex with the world and one little thing go down as me there tell you. And we are try work on it.
Chelsea, me not like that. Me not like that, none at all. Not one at all or two at all. None. Me not like that.
Me not expect you to feel like that. Me not like it neither.
Chelsea, if you left me hard, me not see you back right now. Me even remember if you're brown or black. Me I tell you the truth.
Davi, don't stress me out. It's on out the door, you know. Me inside, I don't want to go outside. What you say?
So, Chelsea, if you did plan if you left me, what can you just tell me other than go there off with man and I tell me say me you're still there and you have me hopes up and you frost me. Me not like that. Me not like that.
Me a drink and talk to me. Davi, what you say? Me you not left, me you can't left.
So how me not see you then?
Davi, at time do things, man. Just be patient. Have a little patience now.
Baby, me not have no more patience. Where man there now?
At Ras gone out pan the front outside.
Gone do what? When gone? You
I
know
don't know
walk?
where
You
gone
know
do.
walk? I walk in
Him
gone?
just gone outside pan the front. No know what I'm gonna do.
Me a come over. Send
Where
me
you come over, you come to be moving in man house and you want moving to Davi. You can't move in a man place.
No, moving. Send me a location, man. Me just want to pop up. Tell me say me your cousin.
Me not send no location, Davi.
Send me a location.
What do you
If
say? Me
you
can't do
send me
that.
mail left, if you don't send me mail left, me know for right now, you know. Send me a location. Okay, I go like your man mad at me. You go send me a what?
Davi,
Yes or no?
what you eat for your breakfast this
Me no
morning?
eat nothing, me stress out and I suffer right now. If you see me, I need remember say me to my marker.
Yeah.
You go send me a what?
Davi, alright.
Alright.
What do him? I want me give him so. Come like me dey drop you upon him like he at me. I forgot do it again one next time. But next time he not left me alone. Him a come and pin him want be in my life, you know?
Oh, boy.
Yes, maybe.
Morning. Sit down there. I want to talk to you.
I say, bro, me want to come to Clarendon, you know, but it's too far from Westmoreland. It's too far. And I like to say me no love you, you know, just the distance, you know. Hold on, me soon call her back, bro. How this man just has Rasta gone over Rasta yard? Me no understand. Now what see what I go on? Anything to go on me involved.
What do you know?
My father said me could have sit down. My father said me could have talk to you. So I said me would talk to you. My boyfriend broke up with me this man and I don't know why. Like he just keep up and staying at work. I don't know if me do something wrong. I don't know if me say something wrong.
Hold on, Kayla. You're young, you know? You know?
Yeah, me know me
And
at 18.
your boy, how old is your boyfriend?
I'm not 18.
Alright. So, you don't have no disagreement?
No, like he just left a message.
What do you mean left a message?
I don't think it's going to work out. It's not your fault, it's all me. But sometimes when they say that, Can't my fault.
Okay, if you say you don't do nothing wrong, baby girl, you're not supposed to feel guilty. As some man can, maybe in there chat to somebody with you and he just feel like break up with you because he can't manage two relationship one time. And then you're young again. You understand?
Get up and say it's not going to work.
Yeah, you're young and in free minded and just get up and say that to you because he not nothing else to say to you. He might tell you say a film fault and then go on take all that blame on really and truly. Probably he just fall out of love with you and don't know what to tell you. So listen, no make it be no burden or no stress or no problem to you. Just get over it. Anything will make you happy, sit down on your phone, find something constructive to do. Laugh and talk with two friends or so. Go out somewhere, go enjoy yourself or find something to do. Be you and love you first. You understand what I say to you? Love you first and then you can think about anything after that. You will get over it, I know this. Because I've been there and done that. That is why I can tell you from experience what to do. You understand? Now blame yourself for nothing. Him know the reason why I came a break up with you and just don't know how to tell you. You understand what I say? Yes, so I know so you grow and you understand certain things, but you don't know everything. Because I'm older than you, I'm more experienced than you, so I can tell you, say, don't fight yourself, my love. Just make it go on. If you say you want the relationship to be done and him break up with you for whatever reason it is, if you don't feel like talk to you about it, just make it slide. Okay. Love you first and spend more time with yourself now before you jump in a next relationship with somebody else. Spend enough time with yourself.
Yes,
appreciate you more, right?
Yes.
Alright.
Don't say advice.
You're good, my baby girl. Take your time, right? Yeah. Find something constructive to do.
I'm more sorry, that's all.
Something na something. You go look what I go on. Oh, this a boy I just a go over here, so. They even know same pass here, so. Must kill like Zidane. Chelsea!
Chelsea! Chelsea, how much man this year? Why?
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
How are you? Your stammer?
Electrician.
Electrician?
Yes.
Never know say something like house you want to fix.
Yes, your father want to fix the light. The breaker box now work.
I did tell him about the breaker box all long, you know.
It now work.
Yeah, man, I come to start out, man.
With a beer hand? You
No,
come with that?
me have to assess the damage first. I don't know if I have some simple setting or something.
Oh, you come to look for the damage?
Yeah, then I come back and have a report for anyone. Now we are best electrician now.
Okay.
Alright, big up yourself.
Alright, Kayla. Later, baby.
Yeah, later.
You're an electrician. I'll go give you a shock of your life. You see. Come on.
Shh, why Bruno? I make the night, you know, I don't really know your name, you know, but I have to give your name. That boy, them in a watch. Once you all him, I was staying in the house. Bruno, you smoke. I mean, I really have nothing for me to smoke, you know, but I have a little piece of cream in it. Why, Bruno, you know if you love smoke, you know, but hold too tight.
Davi Dan, what you do over here?
Chelsea, me miss you. And you know, link me like how you used to link me.
What you miss me from in the last?
You mean you know last, you know how the... Come on, make her hurt me. With heartbreak can make a neck hurt you.
Maybe your heart make your neck hurt you. Who knows what part else hurt you?
All of my body hurt me. Chelsea, you're not deal with me good. If I didn't know say you don't want to lick me back, just tell me say you don't get serious and done.
Davi, may you talk about this? From one man moving with one woman or one woman moving with one man, you don't know say it gets serious. Me tell you this and we agree to something and you end up in a people in the yard. Where do I man yard, Davi? Post the man come here, come catch me in your house.
You're electrician. Why switch it up? Why switch it? I don't have a fix.
Lord God.
Why switch it up my fix?
Oh, you have a fix switch and you have not told me fix switch. We know say excuse you, I use that as.
We touch you with my hand and feel if current in there.
Yeah, come here, that you can shock yourself and kill yourself. You want to electrocute yourself in a people in place and dead in your palm.
Chelsea, I just miss you and it hurt my heart, man. It hurt my heart. So, when you gone now?
I don't know. He just left and gone out. I don't know how far he gone.
So So how much time me have? I don't know neither.
I don't know what time you have. You just come, it's sudden. I not even expect you to find the house or find where me there.
Oh, me have to find a GPS me put back
Who
in
you
your ears.
ask?
Me put GPS back in your ears when you asleep. Me have to find him place.
No, for true. Davi Dan, who you ask which part of your
I
family?
mean, ask somebody, must you send me location. And then every time I want to do video music to see. It's because he kind of is a background and somebody kind of have an idea, but me never know away. You know, so when I come around and so I woke up on the girl, my friend come here and say, Jesus Christ, come like a wrong house, me going now. I take me the out tape in mad and kick off the door and me I say,
Kick off the door, your police.
so like me I show you and you kick off
The
people them do a
backside.
madness cause I girl, me see it, I'm the girl there.
I'm my daughter.
You have them big daughter there?
Yes. She's 18-year-old.
Alright.
And I want a nice young lady. So when I come over here, I can look at the people them pitney.
Me come over to look on people pitting, me woman me come look on.
Yes, you come over to look for me, but you
woman.
ask me question, and the way you ask me is like you're concerned, like
No.
you're interested, you want, whether like you say something to the people.
And something
them.
I want to say to you, I want to give you a strong piece of my mind, Chelsea. You're not
So
dealing with-
give me now, can you reach us up, give me now.
Tell me true, what happened? Me and you there?
Me and you there, but me tell you say, alright, your relationship with me in kind of get intense, for a level, so me need more time.
So alright. I'm gonna ask you, just don't grow on the corner with me now. Just talk to me serious and straight. What you plan for do?
Me just plan to settle in.
So yeah, let's
And me love comfort, and when me dey me comfortable. And me tell you say me never dey break up with you, but you know from day one say me a Rasta in a business. You know so we involved. And then we take a relationship to another level. Me don't know what might happen further down the line. Me don't know, me just know say for right now we alright. And me I try to fix things. Me try to work out things on a level. And it not work as quick as me thought or as quick as me think. Cause you know a thing in a relationship. Things up and down sometime. So you can't fight and a fuss with me, say yo, you not get enough time with me. You can't get enough time like what you used to get with me again. Cause me moving and live with one man now. And I like me there by myself when me a visit for your yard and go back for me yard.
My God.
Right now, me try to think about what is said to you to make you feel better. Me can't believe you over here, you know, Davi. Me can't believe so you really come. And you're brave enough to come in a man yard, in a man house. You see how brave you be?
Sure.
I say you miss me, Davi.
Chelsea, me I tell you the truth. If nobody else in the world would not do this. Right now, I feel like I idiot. What me I do in a man house? Post him and all and there better wait for me to do all that. So me I go tell him
Davi
say.
say you feel like you buy that. Not say that. But at the end of the day, remember say I don't want a serious relationship. It's a committed relationship and me have to take my relationship serious. Remember say me and you always do things them. And my plan to settle in now and work for my relationship. So yes, I go feel like say you left out or me make you feel some type of way, but me don't want you feeling type of way. Just give me some time for work out things. Me can't do everything in a one day.
You want some time?
I want a little time, yes, I want some time. I not ask for no space or none. I just want some time when I can work for my relationship and fix it and get me thing on a level. So just give me some time, please. That's all I ask for. A little bit more time, because I don't think it's safe for you to come over here.
Alright.
I don't want to take you as practice.
Make
Call me or message me phone, and if I don't respond right away, I go respond at some point in time.
Yeah. No bad like that, man. Everything good. Alright. I'm happy to say you find somebody who can treat you better than me. Me give you time where you look for, but just remember say time no wait for nobody.
I know.
Let me see you. And if you not see me back, you know you go.
God. I can't say David do me this. David really just pop up in a people in place in a man house. Suppose the man come catch him in here. What would I tell him say? What would I tell Jutta say? I know Jutta feel about me and jealous and stay. I know say David in love with me and I don't know a long time. But at some point in time I have to stop playing around the bush, brother, and fix my life. I have to take things serious at one point in time. Sooner rather than later. I don't know what I go do right now. I don't know.
You think me not see you? What kind of style that?
You're crazy, mighty now. What you do over here?
How you feel make other man come check you? I better say Rasta no know that money.
Better not for your business. What you do over here? You didn't hear me say if you come back over here.
Me in a dog house or what?
Rasta not tell us if you come back over in yard.
Me have all video here right
Me
now.
no business where you want have. You could have Jesus in your back pocket. What you do over here?
Who that the man there?
I know for your business that you love man.
Who? Me say who?
You love money, I'm thump you in your face. What you do over here?
No for watch you.
What you watch me for TV?
Fi find out who come in and go out.
For what? You get paid?
Chelsea a long time.
No, you get paid.
Soon.
I mean, hey boy, where you come over here for, boy?
You don't fear deal with me, so I have video on my phone. I will show Rasta.
Me no business where you want to show Rasta. Go and go show him Jesus and the disciple them. Me no care.
You better give me peace, you know.
Give a piece of what? Your name cake?
Come show you a video. Come like you don't believe me.
The business born on friggin' video.
Who that? I left front.
Like I don't know none of your damn business. Go show Rasta. Go and go show him.
So you know.
Go and go show him. I can thump you in your face. So I can go and go show him now.
Give me peace. I mean not
Give a piece of what? Come out of my face and come out of my head. Come out here.
Give me peace.
Come out here and come back over here. Guy yard.
Alright.
Every minute you over here like you get paid. You're a landlord.
Everything good.
Look at crossmite. Go away, man, and guy yard. Nonsense.
So you done fixing something already? Hello?
Huh?
You hear me and talk to you? What like you hear me and chat to you?
Oh, true, me a whole heap on my head, man. What you say?
Somebody say if you done fixing something already.
What that?
Give me what that, now they break, so the current something at the house. You mean
Oh! You know what's if you tell the truth though? No, sir, you come like me for come on next time, man, cause it look like they're sitting there. True, me no carry one fuse and some of me tool them. You know nothing about current?
Me no idiot, me have sense. If you come fix something, you must come with tool.
No, you want fuse, you know fuse, man.
No.
True, I tell you, you don't know about current, so don't worry about it, man. So, me did feel say I just two wire, cause I could have tied them also, but no, sir, I don't want some more work, so I have to come back on next time.
Oh.
Yeah.
Me have something at my house I want to fix, so I want to wire off a piece up.
Yeah.
You say, let's see, you don't want to fix it.
No, I don't look at that, man. I don't say really and truly do it. I just through Chelsea because I'm still kind of busy up and sitting. I didn't even know when we could have even. I wouldn't want to fix so.
You can't fix it right now, or
No,
or
sir.
some other
No,
time?
sir.
Why?
I'm not sure about it at that time. I'm busy, I'm really busy electrician now.
Oh, so you're an electrician for when Chelsea call it?
No, man, no, sir, that man, no, sir. No,
Ah, if that coming, understand why
no,
you
man,
can't
no.
fix
Alright,
something,
tell
and you
her,
come
tell
to
her.
fix something
Tell
and you
her,
cannot do with you.
tell her. Enough for that, man. Take me number and call me back on next time when I want it then.
Tell her when more to fix.
We can't fix it now, I have work I do.
Or late, or tomorrow.
Can't fix it tomorrow, I'm busy tomorrow. Take me number and take me
Okay,
schedule.
tell me your number.
3826 1111. Me
Yes,
can't
okay.
PC my schedule.
Your name?
Electrician Davi. So
Electrician Davi?
yeah, Davi the electrician.
But I didn't you tell me around there, so. Man, you tell me for idiot, you know.
You see me out there Rasta pray though. They will go over it. When you violate more there. No, you can't violate me. Try to violate more there. Rasta, look at them. Yo, me have a pray to show you, no, bro. I will never violate me more there.
Look here. Me don't want to hear nothing from you. Here. You see what I'm ready? I see what if I'm more money I come talk about? Me won't say no want to hear nothing from you, youth. You hear me I say?
But Rasta is very important, you know.
Say if I'm more money I come talk about. Piece of big boat. Matter of fact, that I can save you next time, you know. Cause ratchet me I walk with you. You hear me tell her? But me, where I say? Where I have to say?
You know, Rasta, I don't like how you move, you know. Go on there, go. I don't have nothing to say, brother.
See, come and stop, man, and I waste man time. That's what I'm telling you. I don't want to hear nothing from you, youth.
Rasta come and load up him motor for me for about big pod and that. And that I did the same way. You see him come in on me yard with big board and leave can lick me with the hard touch it. He lucky say that I hold him, you know. Lick me. You lick him to lick me with it.
What, man? You know, say, boy, stop me out this again, star. You see me?
What?
Look at you, that boy. Stop me out this again.
When stop you out there for Juta, you know something I like a boy this style, I get on top of my nerves. I have to run him way to the tree, you know.
Like him go tell me something, and then when him ready to tell me something now, don't say yo, me no want hear no that from come on here disrespect, you know. And when him tell me now, him say nobody tell me. I'm just walk with him, you know. Cause you don't want to hear no friend, you know.
I have to diss him today.
Then you cook.
Yeah, I cook some food. Make some maroon and rice.
Yeah, I'm hungry, you know. You good though.
Yeah, some steamed veg on the stove. Cross my boy. TV. I go see him and do him sitting one night time, you know. He push me, you know.
Oh, so I get that mash up there, dog. I mash up there, dog.
Daddy.
What's the answer for?
You want to talk to you about something?
Yeah, you work hard. I'm tired, I'm tired of more, but please. Be and sleep.
Daddy, I'm going to tell you something. I know at first, I never really, open up my arms and welcome Chelsea. But I know, I get feel like her now. Yeah, I get feel love her now.
So I tell you, I'm a nice girl, man.
You know, even though she's not mommy, but you know what day I'm going to talk to her about the situation with me and my boyfriend. She give me a good advice. And like, you see me never talk to her, I would find this amazing man I have right now.
Find which man I find?
I don't want a new relationship, Daddy.
Okay.
I move on and now, tell me say I am a queen and I'm on a throne and the king will come. So yeah, I'm on the throne and the king just walk past me.
Introduce me?
Yeah, I'm going to introduce you.
What that you eat?
I can't fake frosted flakes.
Oh, so that you can't follow?
Yeah, so I'm going to introduce you today. Today I go camp and introduce you to you. Right? So I say one capital say, I'm so glad say out of everybody in the whole wide world, out of the amount of people I got to have on this earth, yeah, you pick Chelsea. I am so glad, Daddy. I'm so glad. I really do like Chelsea. I really do love Chelsea.
You know, say the accept already, you know, but I'm so glad say you finally accept her the right way. Not as your mother, but as your daddy girlfriend. I'm not telling you, like, I really check for that girl. And a long time, you never talk still, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm glad for you, Daddy. I'm glad for you.
I feel happy now how you say that and thing, you know, I feel good, man. I get hungry. I want some food. Now go around back home and say, yeah?
Alright.
Take care.
To talk.
Come on.
What? Yeah, but can't just go on so about. What do you say, Jutta?
Something you know me take a look at one pull, man.
Oh, I'm going to go to deal with something. I'm not stay long.
I said even though I feel happy look while when I tell say my daughter just tell me say she accept you. But she did accept you already, you know, but she finally tell me now say
your daughter over there
yeah,
come
she
from?
only tell us I feel happy, man, start cause so she just accept you. So you know, you not talk like she never accept you. Like, I tell you, but me feel good still, cause you know, the vibes when I go through for a long time and true, we never really accept introduce her to no other girl and thing, you know.
Yeah.
Some feel a good look of her. So
that good Jutta make me happy to hear that.
For real, man.
She nice, you know. The little young girl nice. And me get feel like her so much of the part where me and her start catch up 1 and 2 times, me a reason with her about life, you know. And me experience a lot so me can show her certain ropes as a little young girl. Me really appreciate that. Me have to go see her and love her up. Yeah, man, me really happy for that because me that wondering if she really go like me in a Jutta, me that tell her, you know.
Really go?
Me I go downtown, go deal with something and come back. Me not spend a long time, as me tell you.
Alright, the way I go forward, me and I back home.
How you look so?
No, I'm good, man.
Alright, me soon come.
I have somebody there.
Why you hide in a corner and catch up the stuff? You say bamboo tree and a bamboo tree that?
Show me now nobody see me.
What you mean I don't want nobody see me?
So I don't want nobody to see me.
What you mean you don't want nobody see me? So why if people see me and you know nothing we are do?
So where's you going? Because that I call about. I come to talk to you about Me and you, because I realize it was normally me, you and Rasta, boy, just you and Rasta now. I picture again.
Alright, Davi, you know, so me I think about this from the last conversation we have. Honestly, I pray about it. And me really not see no future with you, me see my future with Rasta. I know say you go break your heart, you go feel some type of way, but me just go come out and tell you the truth. Because it don't make no sense being no hide and seek relationship business with you.
So, you know, so, I know this is what happened from the very first time when I tell them, say, yo, you're going to move in with him. I know this is what happened. And that's why I beg you so enough, you just tell me if you left me. You see, if you tell me from the time, the moon feel now, you know, come to understand. I hear him different them time there. And me just always step on the side. I know so nothing you know go on with. But you tell me, see, you nah left me Chelsea.
Davi, me can't continue to do this over and over with you because every time you want time with me, I have something else to say to you. And it don't make no sense because it's unfair to you. And me now get to spend the amount of time or the quality time where you want with me because I have to attend to my relationship.
So Chelsea, I pick him over me then, or that you be escalated.
I don't necessarily say I choose him over your Davi, but I have to make a decision some point in time.
What him have, what me not have?
I don't see a future with you, Davi. I just don't see a future with you, I see a future with him. So me tell you, say relationship is serious on a level where me have to make a decision now.
But Chelsea, look my all in daughter. In daughter will look a bit younger than me. Look, you see a big man that. Where do them big man?
A big man and me a big woman too.
Chelsea, boy, you know much older than me neither. You have me if second down with that bill with that really him.
Davi, what wrong with you?
Chelsea, everything wrong with me is you. Are you make my head partner good? Are you tell me say you now left me for other man and then are you move out and go live with other man then you tell me say done?
But you're uncomfortable and I can't make it up to you the way how you want me to do it because I'm there with this man and I live with him. Me and him live, moving together and settle down. So no, it's unfair to you. Think about it. What you want me to do then? If you keep on having a suspense and a limbo all the time and then me run the so I do what me I do and you're uncomfortable, might as well me call it a day, make you move on with the life and find somebody who can do it for you.
That you really want?
Yeah, me love you that much to make you find somebody who can make you comfortable because me can't get comfort what you want right now.
Chelsea, that you really want. Just tell me from
I not say that me really want, but me have to make a decision because me I please myself and it's unfair to you.
So this is your decision. You left me and go to the restaurant, man. Just tell me, just no yes or no. I don't want to know. Say yes or no, please. Say yes or yes if I know me. I go still
may
fight
say better
you.
me break off with you because
so yes then, Chelsea.
You have to move on with your life at some point in time. And how long we going to continue to do this for?
Alright.
I know say it's going to make you feel some type of way and you might feel hurt, but I have to just be the bigger person and tell you the truth.
Chelsea, unfair game play twice, you know.
Me know this. Me not perfect. Nobody not perfect, but it don't make sense. Me there over there so with a man, live with a man. You go come at the man yard to come look for me, or you call me and not get me, and then it a cause controversy every time you see me. We at it because you not get no time with me. I mean not have the time to come in your yard, come stay with you no more, cause me live there so with a man. So me really and truly care about you that much, or me would I just want you to just move on without me.
Alright. I understand.
If something will happen, don't get a longer run with me and my relationship, I have to just know say I saw it go.
I understand.
But I'm willing to let you go and make you go and go find somebody where you can build a life with, build a relationship and a family or a future with.
Alright.
Right?
Alright.
We good? What you want me to do? You want to hug and go on?
No man, I'm good man. I just hope something make you happy. I accept it. But anything happen just now, so that's all. Alright?
Anything can happen, Davi. We're not God.
No,
We can get up tomorrow and something happen, but what me for do about it? We're not perfect. I just have to anger my business. When we reach the end, I cross it.
I understand.
Alright, Davi. Take care of yourself.
You too. Time for me to move on then.
Shappy! No feel good at all, you know. Right now, I feel like the whole day ruined. Only what me do this year better good. Shappy said more special day. Why don't man? Put chase up on it. Babe. What happened?
Yeah, sit down here.
So you want to play a game for your phone?
No, really, they're on a big time, so the same way.
He's just out right now.
Wow.
No, I'm just moody.
Smell of rum pie. You take so long out there?
Stop down this and buy one special and this. But there's something about me, I stop and take a drink. Nothing around. Oh,
So what you say? What bother yourself? Take it easy, man. So life nice.
no, I talk about it. I have nothing to talk about.
You're good otherwise, though.
I don't know if I'm good.
Talk to me now, you can talk to me, you know.
I'll tell you so.
You know, me always a shoulder and if anything, you
I don't want to
understand?
talk about it, nothing to talk about. Me alright.
Okay.
Daddy!
What, come in now.
Yeah, come. Alright. Wait, Esther, don't come.
Kayla.
Yeah, hi. Daddy, you did tell her about something? I said, I never Daddy tell you about you want to make my boyfriend, introduce me to my boyfriend, if I know a new one I know.
Oh, really?
Yes, come introduce to me. Say about it, so don't come. Don't come.
You said, Jutta.
Come up, man, honey, come up.
Hi, everyone.
Alright, you made it to the end of the movie. I hope so you press like, I hope so you subscribe, I hope so you comment. But really, I hope so you enjoy the movie. Because that's what we really seek to do. But yeah, enough of talking. So go and go watch some of our previous movies. Currently, me I shoot whenever this upload, me go have a new movie ready for now again for this Sunday or Saturday, depending on the upload. So just be eager for all of that. Continue show we love and support. Big up all them peeps them who forget. Big up me soon in the comments. Believe me, I'll go now really big up me. I'll call some name. If you want a big up, just comment in this one or two. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.